So, hello and welcome to Bollywood Live. Today we are here with a special segment. It's about best friends forever. So, today we have with us Seban Azim and Rim Sheikh, whom we
Hi,
popularly know
Sanskrithi.
as
I am.
Salma.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome Rim and Seban,
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. It's
and
good to
a
be
very
here.
happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day to you too. Happy Friendship Day, Reem.
Thank you.
Okay, let's begin with this exciting episode. So, our first segment is Jab We Met. Tell us about the first time you guys met and the first opinion you formed about each other.
The first time that I met him, हमारी सबकी final meeting थी, like actors and producers, show शुरू होने से पहले. And that time I entered the show in the end, like last में मैं select हुई थी. So I didn't really know the characters at all. And he came last. सब meeting पे सब पहुंच चुके थे. He was the last one to come. And he was very sophisticatedly dressed. He's always smartly dressed. But तब मैं इनको बिल्कुल नहीं जानती थी. And he came and इन्होंने सबसे पहले पूछा था कि यहाँ पे मराठी किस किस को आती है. So I thought कि he's the writer, because obviously if someone is coming and asking कि यहाँ पे मराठी किस किस को आती है, then that person has to have something to do with the story or writing or something like that. So I genuinely for I think 15 to 20 minutes I thought he's the writer of the show. और फिर बाद में जो असली राइटर थी वो नरेशन कर रही थी और उसने बताया कि मल्हार है. And I was like, okay, sorry. So I thought he's the writer of the show, dialogue writer.
मेरा persona इतना cool है, मैं क्या करूँ यार? Sorry.
But he genuinely is a writer. So somewhere that was visible even that time. Like he writes really well. That was visible even that time. So I wasn't totally wrong. I assume that you were there.
And what about you, Seban?
मुझे तो
No,
ऑफकोर्स पता
don't.
था कि मेरे ऑपोजिट कौन है, तो मुझे पता था. तो मैंने इसको देखा और मैंने कहा ये लड़की है, ये कैसे कल्याणी प्ले करेगी यार, मतलब हमारी केमिस्ट्री कैसे होगी. आई डोंट नो, शी इज टू यंग, शी इज टू, आई डोंट नो, शी इज, would she be able to pull it off. हमारा शो ऐसा तो नहीं 4 महीने में बंद हो जाएगा, क्या करेंगे हम लोग. तो आई वाज वेरी स्केप्टिकल इनिशियली. देन आई थॉट के देखा जाएगा, जो होगा अब तो देखा जाएगा. अब इतनी छोटी लड़की को हीरोइन लेकर बना रहे हैं तो कुछ तो होगा उनको, आई एम श्योर प्रोड्यूसर के दिमाग में कुछ तो होगा. तो या बट इवेंचुअली Reem proved everything wrong to me, and the way she acted and everything, because I had never seen anything before Reem को मैंने इससे पहले टीवी में hardly देखता हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं था. But then I saw her work and I was awestruck. I was like, wow, this girl is so much of potential and she's really good. And it came out so well. Everything was so beautiful and everything was perfect after that.
Do you guys remember your friendversary date, or the day when you became friends?
फ्रेंडशिप का कोई एक दिन नहीं होता है मेरे हिसाब से. संस्कृति ऐसा मतलब यू कांट रियली पिक अ डेट के इस दिन हमारी दोस्ती एक्चुअली हुई थी. एक दोस्ती का एक फ्लो होता है, वो खुद ब खुद होती चली जाती है. आई थिंक विद इन अ मंथ वी आर वेरी कॉर्डियल टू ईच अदर कि अच्छा आपकी लाइन ये है, मेरी लाइन ये है, आप ये कर रहे हैं, अच्छा मैं ऐसे करूंगा, अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो ऐसा कर देंगे. वो दैट बिकेम आफ्टर व्हाइल, ऐसे करो ना तुम, मैं ऐसे करूंगी, तुम ऐसे करो मैं ऐसे आऊंगी, ऐसे मतलब यू नो it took a month for us to be like that कि धक्का दे दिया किसी को, गिरा दिया कि मैं यहाँ बैठूंगी, you know, कि मैं यहाँ बैठूंगा. और that comfort level I think was there within a month only. एक महीने साथ में, एक महीना भी इसलिए लगा क्योंकि शुरू के सीन्स मेरे और रीम के साथ में नहीं थे. मेरे सीन्स संपदा के साथ थे और लोगों के साथ थे. And there was a story. After a while we were supposed to meet him and things were supposed to happen between Reem and Kat, मतलब मल्हार एंड कल्याणी. So गया वरना तो 2-3 दिन में हो जाता. क्या?
And he had a picture of mine. So I was like, oh, he's a really good photographer. He can click really good pictures. And I love being clicked. Like I can just be ready to get clicked anytime. So, you know, photography also has a big role to play in our friendship.
Yeah. आजकल दोस्ती करनी है तो उसकी अच्छी फोटो क्लिक कर दीजिए.
So, do you guys remember that Tera Yaar Hu Main moment, like when you felt ki I'm so glad ki I'm his friend?
I
it
always
happens every day.
It happens every day. Like in a day, in those 12 hours, there comes a time जहाँ पे मैं कुछ बहुत बेवकूफी करती हूँ, कुछ बहुत stupid हरकत करने जा ही रही होती हूँ, but then he would just somehow make me understand कि ये नहीं करना है, and then I was like, you know, that you're there. मैं रोज करती हूँ ऐसी कोई ना कोई बेवकूफी, मैं रोज ही, this moment is there almost every day.
हाँ, मेरे भी मोमेंट्स आते हैं, मैं कई बार ऐसा लो फील कर रहा होता हूँ तो रीम आती है अपनी अच्छी एनर्जी लेके और सब ठीक कर देती है, तो इट कीप्स हैपनिंग.
We want to know कि आप एक दूसरे को कितना जानते हो. Tell us the one thing that annoys you about each other.
I wish there was anything. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Nothing annoys each other. Anything. There's nothing that annoys each other.
Thankfully अभी तक ऐसा है नहीं, इसलिए that's why we haven't fought even once till now.
Yeah.
Not a single fight has happened within 2 years, and we've been working very nicely. Even in the scenes also, there has been no argument till now. Thankfully, that शुक्र है. इतनी अच्छी कोई एक्ट्रेस मिलना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. तो यार अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं संस्कृति. हो सकता है आने वाले टाइम में हम लड़ ले तो फिर बता देंगे हमने लड़ाई करी इस बार.
नहीं मत लड़ो. So
there's nothing. I'm sure रीम को मैं थोड़ा अनॉय करता हूँ क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा कभी-कभी लेट पहुंचता हूँ और रीम थोड़ा वेट करती है मेरे लिए.
That's not something which annoys me. नहीं, ऐसा not annoying. It's just that कि मुझे बता देते तो मैं भी लेट आ जाती. It's just that.
साथ में.
But still इतना. हाँ, but of course रीम को रेडी होने में थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम जाता है क्योंकि लड़कियों का मेकअप अलग होता है और कपड़े होते हैं, फिर कानों की बुंदे ये सब, फिर बिंदी लगनी होती है, सब कुछ करना होता है, बाल प्रॉपर बनने होते हैं. लड़कों का
कि बने तो कितना लेट तैयार हो के आए थे. हाँ?
क्या? हेलो? What?
मैं एक बार लड़की तो कितना लेट तैयार हो के आए थे.
हाँ, जब मुझे लड़की बनाया था तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ था कि कितना टाइम लगता होगा लड़की.
So next is tell us your favorite Kalma scene. Like this is Sebani's favorite, and you will tell hers.
I know his.
Yeah,
There was one scene where I do something like Kalyani is also really stupid sometimes. So Kalyani जो है वो मल्हार को बोलना चाहती है that I want to be a wife to you, and you know she plans all these सुहागरात and everything. और फिर तब मल्हार उसको बाहर लेकर जाता है, and then they go to the garden, they sit together, वहाँ पे they both are facing the moon and they are talking, and then Malhar has this whole one monologue where he's trying to make Kalyani understand that you know love is just not physical but it is something beyond that. And I remember he was very like वो scene में वो इतना घुस गए थे that I knew that the scene is somehow very close to him. So
it was
I know
a
that
scene and we did a one take. We both did a one take, and Reem actually cried in that scene even when it wasn't her face also.
Yeah, I like cried when I was not.
It was a beautiful scene. It was a beautifully written scene. Thanks to Zahir,
Monica,
and Sonali man. Yeah, very beautifully written scene. मैंने scene पढ़ा एक बार और मैंने कहा इसको तो पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. I know what it says. I exactly know what it means. And the whole idea of making a young girl understand that there is time for everything and everything will happen according to its time, and you just have to be ready for it and keep doing your best and things will be fine. Or it's a beautiful moment. I think मेरा भी वही favorite scene. हमने
No, I'm talking about your favorite.
Yeah, you have to tell hers.
Honestly, मेरे बहुत सारे सीन मेरे फेवरेट हैं, but now because Reem has pointed this one out, so I remember yeah, it was a very beautifully written scene, so I would call it my favorite scene too at the same time.
Exactly, I was talking about your favorite scene only, Baba.
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite scene.
My favorite. Huh.
Oh,
we have
thank
to
you
talk
so much.
about each other and not ourselves.
अच्छा, अब मुझे रीम का सीन बताना है फेवरेट, ऐसा?
Yeah.
कौन सा हो सकता है?
I think अभी लास्ट एक सीन किया जिसमें मैं 7 फेरे लेता हूँ और रीम को मतलब कल्याणी को लेकर 7 फेरे लेता हूँ और उसको बहुत क्यूट से वादे करता हूँ. आने वाला है वो सीन. It's not been telecasted yet. And again, Reem and Kalyani both cried.
and this is the scene जो मतलब you know usually होता है जब आप एक scene करते हो और वो तभी के तभी खत्म हो जाता है. So it's okay to feel that emotion just one day, but we shot this scene for 2 days. एंड ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं सेम लाइन सुन रही हूँ इसलिए शायद मुझे इमोशन फील नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
The second cried as well. I myself didn't know the reason I was crying. Even on the second day. Chalo, first day I really got involved in the scene and the dialogues. But the second day I genuinely don't know why I started crying. So yeah, that scene is very, very close.
So the next question is, tell us the first thing he or she does when they reach on set. Like what Seban does and what Rim does.
He will come and then he will organize his room first. He doesn't care if he's late. He doesn't care कि scene कितना बड़ा है. First he wants to organize his room. He wants to clean everything, put the chadar and everything. Organize his room first and then do whatever you want. Then you come. आप इनको मतलब मेकअप करो, इनको कितने भी सारे सीन्स पकड़ा दो तो चलेगा, बट फर्स्ट वांट्स टू ऑर्गेनाइज हिज रूम.
And Seban, what?
रीम यूजुअली आती है, पहले एक चक्कर लगाती है सेट का कि क्या हो रहा है, देखती है, क्या राउंड मारती है, आया करती है, फिर रेडी होने जाती है. लाइक एक वो कैट वॉक लेने के लिए आती है, देखती है क्या कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, सब हाय हेलो किया, सबको हग वग जिसको करना है किया, नहीं किया. अभी तो आजकल तो ऑफ कोर्स हग नहीं कर सकते, तो हाय हेलो करके फिर जाती है, फिर रेडी होती है यूजुअली. Beautiful girl walking on the set and then going there to get ready and coming back. पहले रीम आती है सेट पे, फिर ये वापस जाती है, फिर कल्याणी आती है सेट पे. जैसे मैं सीधा मल्हार बन के पहुंचता हूँ, उससे पहले नहीं पहुंचता, मैं सीधा मल्हार पहुंचता है सेट पे. हमारे सेट पे पहले रीम आती है, फिर कल्याणी आती है.
Great, this is BFF goals really. So the next is the one thing Rim cannot do without or Seban cannot do without, and it should not be the mobile phone. Like that is an obvious answer.
Nutella. For now, Nutella is the thing she can't do without. I can't. Should I? Sorry, Reem. Should I not be telling? इसने लॉकडाउन में 7 डब्बे न्यूटेला के खत्म किए हैं. 8 सॉरी 8 और 9th वाला जो मैं लेकर आया था, इसके लिए वही दिन में खा गई है पूरा डब्बा एक दिन में. मैं देखता रह गया, एक दिन में डब्बा खत्म, मतलब आधे घंटे में एक डब्बा खत्म.
Okay, it was morning and then it was lunch time.
You finished almost whole of it within. After some time, you finished the rest of it.
Yeah, okay.
But she looks fine.
So that one thing like you will miss out if that person was not in your life.
Honestly, there are a lot of things, but I can't really, point out one particular thing.
अगर रीम मेरी लाइफ में नहीं होती तो बहुत ज्यादा हैप्पी एनर्जी मिसिंग होती मेरी लाइफ में, बहुत ज्यादा चर्कीनेस नहीं होती मेरी लाइफ में. एंड थैंक्स टू रीम फॉर एडिंग इट टू माय लाइफ. और बहुत सारी सिली चीजें नहीं हो रही थी जिनको देख के मैं हंसता हूँ, मुस्कुराता हूँ और सोचता हूँ ये कैसे कर रही है, हाउ कैन शी डू सच थिंग्स. तो वो अम्यूजमेंट होती है मुझे, कहीं वो सब नहीं होती अगर रीम नहीं.
If he wouldn't have been around me, I would not know that what it is like to be a patient person, a person who has a lot of patience. Because honestly, before, मेरे में इतना patience नहीं था. I was a very impulsive girl. But yeah, after, I've spent almost 2 years with him, I've learned that what it is like to be patient. And honestly, I think I learned patience when he insisted that I read a book. And then he gifted me a book. And because to read a book, you require patience. And ever since then, I know what it is. I know that how much patience requires, in life, how important it is to be patient in life. So yeah, agar ye nahi hote to phir I think I know how to be patient. And I would never read books. I would never read books. Like abhi jo main bolti hu, like I like reading. I would have never ever read a single book in my life if he hadn't been there.
I think it's a simple thing.
Okay.
When you meet someone, when you become friends with someone, you have to add something to their life so that you become your friends for the rest of the life. Even when you're not around each other, at least to remember something. Like give something to each other before you.
So I will show you guys a few pictures from your Insta account. and you guys need to tell me what is the story behind that picture.
Okay. This will be fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first picture is this one. You guys can see this.
Yeah.
We know this picture. Yeah,
Okay.
it was in the days of R.N. Kalyani.
It was
It was
the
just all-
awkward days of our friendship, I guess. Am I right?
Okay.
Like,
So next
totally
is
but when we used to treat each other very formally,
called.
like I see you and all
Yeah.
that, and like I would just come and be like, "Arey yaar, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya." I would always come to this.
okay, and next is this one.
I
Shopping.
love this picture
Yeah, this is one of my favorite too.
because
What is the
it's
story behind it?
We managed to get Purva along with us because she hardly
Huh.
goes out. After the shoot, she has to run back every because she has a family, she has a kids. So we usually
Yeah.
हमारे साथ बाहर नहीं आती, कम आती. But of course, which is fine. उसकी family है.
So we had
So we
coffee.
dragged her to
हमने शॉपिंग भी की थी इस
shopping
दिन.
भी करी. हाँ, कॉफी बीच मतलब स्टारबक्स पे बैठ के हमने चिल भी किया, बहुत सारी बातें भी करी, बहुत मजा आया. फिर हमने पिक्चर्स भी ली और कुछ में सामान भी खरीदा था रीम में. मैंने भी
हमने शॉपिंग की थी.
प्रॉपर
we-
शॉपिंग
we-
की.
We shopped and मैंने और पूर्वा दी ने सेम कपड़े खरीदे because we wanted to twin.
हाँ, the same day. You went to
And
Zara
we-
and shopped same
Both
stuff.
wore the same clothes and we came to him and we were like, ta-da!
Yeah. It was a good day.
Okay, this last one.
Oh. This is an early morning picture. And I think
Yeah.
we were in a 7 a.m.
Yeah.
shift and we both were like hungry and we wanted to have something. So when I
Yeah,
had
we
got
both
this
had
coffee, this coffee machine, like I recently got this coffee machine to my set and I was making coffee and we made coffee. Like I made coffee for both of us. And I got this new cups, one for Reem and one for me. They
Yeah.
both are, I don't know, they're lost. We can't find them anymore.
Yeah,
We forgot. I think we kept it somewhere and we forgot to pick it up maybe
Okay.
outside somewhere.
Great. So this is the time to tell each other कि तू best है because
तू
Because
best है तो Reem है.
exactly मैं भी यही बोलने वाली थी. He's best because he's Tehban, that's why. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you know, that particular quality that कि आप ऐसे हो इसलिए आप best हो. But he's best because he is.
तू जैसी
Yeah.
वैसी रहना. तू जैसी है वैसी रहना. Is also additional to it.
So that was fun, guys. I had a lovely chat with you both, and I hope you both enjoyed it.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did.
And I hope even the audience has enjoyed it.
I hope they like it. Yeah. And thank you
Okay.
everyone for watching our show and keep watching and please watch it even more. We need more TRP and hope to see you guys soon.
Really soon. Thank you.
Thank you both.
Thank you, Samshruti.